Hi, my name's Byrdi. I'm the owner of Byrdi here in Melbourne. Byrdi is a modern Australian cocktail bar that focuses on seasonal and local produce. Everything that we're doing here is 100% from Australia, predominantly from regional Victoria, and everything's sort of constantly changing with the elements and with the season. So we're leaning on our producers, most of them small farmers from the area, to dictate what we put on the menu on any given day. So the menu's constantly evolving and changing. A lot of the things that we're doing, because it's so produce driven, it tends to put the spotlight more on the produce and the producers that we're using rather than the alcoholic elements, which lends itself to non-alcoholic drinks and alcoholic drinks. There's not really any bias towards or against one or the other. So every time we're sort of building a drink or creating a drink from the menu, it starts with the produce element first and working back from there. So quite often we'll be making a drink and it ends up being a non-alcoholic offering, not because we've set out to do so, but just because we find that that's the best execution for these particular elements. Okay, so this first drink, we've made an aperitif style highball using the dry London aperitif dry. So what we've done initially is infuse under vacuum the dry London and dry aperitif with some fresh pear and fresh fennel. Then what we've done is made a pear and pickled fennel soda. So this is made by using some fresh pear juice, then some fresh fennel, and then also some pickled fennel blossom that has been pickling for around 24 months. So carbonate all of that here, and then what we're going to do is just serve it over ice as a highball. So nice and carbonated. And then the garnish for this is just going to be some wild fennel. There we go.